We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass, and I'm working with the Canon color ImageClass mf743cdw. So first thing first, go ahead and lift your scanner up. This part is going to be your flatbed, and this little small strip over here is going to be for your ADF, which is the top part of your scanner. So first thing first, you want to take your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth, and you want to put the cleaner on the cloth. You never want to put it on the glass, and it could damage things and make mess. So go ahead and just gently clean. Sometimes we see things like ink or whiteout or even Sharpie on here, so if the first cleaning doesn't get it all the way, go ahead and just do it another time. You may need to do it more than once. If you're seeing more print defects when you're using this top part right here, you're gonna want to focus on this little strip of glass right here. But if you're seeing them mainly when you just use the flatbed, then you'll need to clean this one more. Just depends on where you're seeing your defects. So that's pretty easy. If you guys are in need of any quotes or supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.